To evaluate your sent campaigns, go to the Reporting and Campaigns section in the menu. Here you will find all campaigns that have been sent from your client. The list can be easily searched or filtered to narrow it down to a selection of campaigns. To evaluate a campaign in detail, click on the respective line to open it. The page that is now visible contains all the information measured for a campaign in Promio.connect. Let us now go through the areas and their functions one by one. First, you have a table listing the most important key figures. It is divided into the overall results of the campaign and, as a campaign can contain several messages, there is always a separate row for each message. This makes it easy to evaluate and compare different messages within the campaign. The table itself can be customized by showing or hiding columns. The following actions can be executed for each creative by clicking on the menu in the row. Copy the creative or the entire campaign. Add or update an existing segment so that target group components can be evaluated separately at a later date. This allows you to evaluate subsets using a predefined filter. In our example, you can see how the proportion of men within the target group used for mailing performed. Or send a follow-up mailing to previously unused email addresses from your database. In the next section, all key figures are displayed again in individual tiles. Here, in addition to information on the absolute values, you also have the option of displaying a chart by clicking on a tile with the small statistics icon. For all key figures with a chart, you can create a responder target group via the menu in the chart area. For example, click on the clicks tile and then on the Save as Target Group action in the menu to create a new target group with the campaign's clickers. The chart itself can be set to different time periods using the timeline. In the Mail Clients section, a breakdown is shown indicating which mail clients were used to open the message by the recipients. The following breakdown contains 3 tabs, which display the sent message in HTML format and text format, as well as a visual click report that shows which areas of the message were clicked and how often. The category links by click frequency groups identical links into groups, providing insight into how often a URL was linked in the message and how often it was clicked. The link tag evaluation allows links to be divided into predefined categories. To do this, a link tag must be assigned to a URL via a URL parameter. This makes it possible to see in the evaluation how many clicks went to a URL with the tag politics, for example. These statistics can then be used to generate click profiles and finally to create target groups. In our example, this would be a target group with all addresses that clicked on links related to politics with a frequency of X%. The deliverability report allows you to check deliverability to the top 20 domains in the distribution list by looking at the open and soft bounce rates. Here, the values per provider are compared to the campaign average. The last section shows a summary of the key figures according to the DDV standard and a log file of the campaign. Finally, using the icons at the top of the campaign, the results of the report can be exported as a CSV file, shared via a sharing link, or copied as the basis for a new campaign.